Hey guys, here's a quick video on how to tell what a mixed and improper fraction is and then how to convert them between the two. So again, we'll show you a couple. Remember, mixed number is mixed with whole numbers and fractions. So a mixed number could be an example of 3 1/3 or 5 2/5. You've got your whole numbers and then you've got your fraction. Now, improper means that we just have a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So 12 is bigger than 4, or 7/2. Those are improper fractions. Now, what we want to be able to do today is we want to make sure that we can flip between them, because when we start to multiply and divide fractions, it's very important that we change them. So here's an example of a mixed number on the left here, and we're going to change it into an improper fraction. Remember, you can multiply the bottom number, so the denominator times the whole number. So 3 times 5 will give us 15. And then remember, you add the extra pieces on top of the ones you got when you broke up the whole number. So we say 15 plus 4, and we get 19. That's our new numerator. So we have 19/5. There we go. We've changed it to an improper fraction. Now to go the other way, we want to see how many times 5 fits into 18. And if you're like, I can't do that math, or I can't remember my multiplication tables, you can make a list, remember. You can go 5. So how many times can I get 5 under 18? So I go 5, 10, kind of like we're listing our least count multiple, 15, there's 3 5s, and then 20 is 4 5s. Now 20 is too big, so 15 fits into 18 3 times. We got 3. And then how many are left over? So then what I want to do is I want to compare that 15, because 3 times 5 is 15. So I just take 18 minus the 15, and I get 3. So I get 3 3/5. So remember, that 15 came from the 5 times 3. How many times did the 5 fit into 18? And that 3 was what was left over. So there's our 3 3/5. There's how you change mixed numbers and improper fractions. If you're still having trouble, make sure you email us. We're just sitting here staring at computers waiting for your emails, and so we can help out. We love chatting with you. We love talking with you. You guys have a great day.